cars under 10K that can embarrass modern sports cars. 286 horsepower, 6 limited slip diff, still sleep. 300 horsepower, AWD, turbo 5-cylinder, basically a Swedish missile. Supercharged sleeper sedan making 240 horses stock and cheap. Looks like a grandpa car, hides a Mustang V8 under the hood. Corvette-powered coupe for used Corolla models. Yes, really. Most of these came with 350 to 400 horsepower with simple mods. But which one are you picking? Lamar or GTO?